You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to do simultaneous equation. You need to know the meaning of simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation is a set of two or more equations, each containing two or more unknown variables. That means the unknown variables there might be two, or they can be more than two. They are called simultaneous equation because they must be solved at the same time. The first step that you need to apply is to eliminate one of the unknown variables. By the time you get the value of one of the unknown variables, it will become a known variable. Then you are going to substitute into one of the equation in order to get the second variable. Methods of solving simultaneous equation are: number one, elimination method. Number two, we have substitution method. And number three is graphical method. Today, we want to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. And we have some steps that we need to take anytime we want to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. Number one, we have to multiply each equation by a suitable number so that the two equations have the same leading coefficients. Then number two, we are going to add or subtract the second equation from the first equation. Then the third step to take is to solve the new equation that we have for one unknown variable so that we get its exact value. And after getting the exact value of one of the unknown variable, which will now become a known variable, we need to substitute the value of the known variable. So we have one example to solve for today. Solve the pair of simultaneous equation below using elimination method. The first thing that we need to do is to make the coefficients of one of the leading variables to be equal. Then the only thing that we can do is that to multiply this by 3, the first equation by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So if we do it that way, we are going to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. We are multiplying so that the coefficient of s here will be equivalent. So by the time we multiply equation 1 by 3, we are going to have 6s plus 3y is equals to 15. This will become equation 3. Then by the time we multiply equation 2 by 2, we are going to have 6s minus 2y is equals to 8, which will give us equation 4. 3 times 2x will give us 6s, 3 times y will give us 3y, and 3 times 5 will give us 15. And likewise, 2 times 3x will give us 6s, 2 times minus 2y will give us minus 4y, then 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then the next step is to subtract. So we are going to subtract equation 3 from equation 4. By the time we subtract 6s minus 6s, it's going to give us 0. Then we are going to subtract 3y minus 4y. I would love to show this. We have 3y minus the minus that is outside here minus 4y. So that means we are going to have 3y. Don't forget that minus times minus is plus. Then we are going to have 4y. 3y plus 4y will give us 7y. So that means we are going to have 7y here, which is equals to 15 minus 8, which will also give us 7. Then the next step to take is to divide both sides by 7. Y will be 7 divided by 7, which will give us 1. Now, one of the unknown variable is 1. So that means it has become a known variable. The value of y is 1. So put the value of y in equation 1 or equation 2. We have 2s plus y is equals to 5. 2s plus 1, since our y is equals to 1, is equals to 5. 2x is equals to 5 minus 1. 2x is equals to 4. And x is equals to 4 over 2, which will give us 2. Thank you.